Hello everyone. I am Cuba, so are you ready to play with me? Quiz Cuba time. So today's challenge is my fave theme, animals theme, so get ready.
So our first question is, who lives in water? Oh yes, I know you all know this. So who lives in water? Oh yes, it's fish. So what do we call a baby cat? What do you call a baby cat? Very good, it's a kitten. So which is the largest land animal? Do you know, kids? Oh yes, it's an elephant. Keep going. Woof woof. Whose sound is this? Is it a dog? Oh yes, it's a dog. Roar. Do you know the sound? Oh yes, it's a lion. Very good, guys. Keep going. Meow meow. I know the song. And you also know the sound very well. Oh yes, it's a cat. Cat says meow meow. So, are you ready to find the odd one out? Keep your eyes open. Oh yes. Find the odd one out. Oh yes. The dog is upside down. So this is my favorite panda. Oh yes. Very good.
I hope you kids enjoy the video, so don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. Happy a good day. See you next video.